Hi guys, welcome back to Scripted Success Master. Today we will learn how you can make auto reimbursement approval system via Google Form, Google Sheets and mainly ChatGPT. Even if you don't know the coding, ChatGPT will help end to end, and let's start to build that. Let's jump to the practical. Okay, first of all, let's create a form where employees can upload the reimburse request. Okay, so start with a blank form. Let's put the title as reimburse request form. Okay, then let's say start with employee code. I'll keep it as a short answer, should be compulsory. Next is employee name. Next one, employee email ID. As I explained in last video, you should response validate this, click on text, and it should be email ID. So employers can put only valid email IDs. Next is manager email ID, who will approve this request. Next question should be short answer. Let's say this will be expense category. I'll put it as a checkbox. First will be travel, there will be food. I'll keep third as other. Next question will be expense description, should be short answer. Let's say next question is amount to reimburse, it should be short answer only, and should be, let's do one thing, keep it as number, not greater than should be 0. Okay, next after the amount we should capture date of expense, and this should be response validator. It should be, oh apologies, this should be date from here, date of expense. And last and most important question, upload the valid bill. Okay, now this should not be multiple option, this should be file upload. Now you have to approve the request, because the all data or all stored files should save in your Google Drive. So just click on continue. Next, for you should allow, or you can decide the maximum number of files from here, and maximum number of files ka size you can choose it here. Okay, you can allow specific files like document, spreadsheet, PDF. As of now I am keeping as it is. Okay, now this is the form we have created, and almost all points are covered. Now go to response, make a response sheet. Okay, create a new one, it will pop it up here. Now you can see the headings here, so all headings will be like form only. Okay, now let's copy the titles as we have done the same in the last video. Go to ChatGPT. Now let's build whole coding into ChatGPT. Okay, let's start. Now start with the command, help me building reimburse approval system. I have created one Google form and questions are like below. Paste the headings which you have put, click on the insert the commas so that ChatGPT can understand the headings. Okay, expense category, expense description, amount to reimburse, date of expense, and upload the valid bill. Okay, now main command starts from here. Help me to auto mail this to manager email ID for approval. Email should have approve or reject button with red and green color. Now what we need to do, once approved or rejected, auto mail should trigger to employee who has filled the form. What will be the next command? What's our next command? Create auto columns in response sheet with approve and reject links, so that if manager is on leave, HR can approve that through those links. I think we have covered all the prompts correctly. We have given the titles. We have asked him to trigger the email. Okay, one important point missing. Put table in the mail with all details filled in form. Table should be neat and clean. Font can be Verdana and you can decide on the font size. Okay, approve or reject button should be below that table in manager's email. In employee email, approved amount, date of approval should be appear in table format. Okay, I hope we have covered all. Let's hit the button and let's wait till ChatGPT thinks and give us the answer with proper reasoning. See, proper reasoning and codes. See, he is saying he thought for 6 seconds and now see, he is just summarizing whatever we have given in the prompts. Okay, now what he is saying, what he has given, full app script code with the paste ready to copy paste, set up a deployment and notes for the security and customization. Okay, let's do let's do one by one. Okay, this is the form, okay, where we are this is the code which we need to copy paste into the app script. Okay, let's do one by one. Okay, I'm copying this code and going into reimbursement form, going into extension, click on the app script. Now it will load the basic app script page where few 2-3 line code is there. Now you have to do Control A, delete that, paste the whatever code he has given in the here ChatGPT. Okay, now you can see the code clearly, so you can rename here reimburse approval automation. Okay, just rename this and let it save. Okay, now we have pasted this. Let's go to ChatGPT, go down. He will help us with the steps we need to follow. Okay, now see, setup and development. Open the Google Sheet, receives the response extension, app script, and paste the above script. Okay, now what it is saying, update the configuration if required. Okay, sheet name is form. If sheet name is not form response 1, then change the sheet name. Let's see if we have the sheet name as a form response 1. Yes, it's a form responses 1. So there is a no error. Okay, now run create auto columns if missing. So in app script editor, select and click run button. Authorize the script when prompted if needed in the Gmail sheet. Let's do that once. Okay, now go here. We have saved this, so let's run it once. Okay, so let's review the permissions. Open this, click on advanced. Let's approve the requests. Go down, select all, go down, continue. Okay, we have approved it. Now it is showing execution started, execution completed. Okay, go to next. This will, so what we have done this will add auto columns like approval status, approval email, approval date, amount, link, reject link, and approval token. Let's see if he has added that automatically. Okay, let's go here, let's refresh it once. Okay, might possible he will add that in the end session or somewhere once we fill the form. Let's see if we submit the form, then those links are auto generated or not. Okay, take this as a later stage. Okay, now deploy the script as a web app, new development, for description put reimbursement, execute. Okay, now replace this with web URL, paste it. Okay, this is a critical step. We will do that. I'll help you how to do it. Okay, now go again here, go to extension, go to app script. Okay, now we should click deploy, new deployment. Click here, web application. I'll keep it as it is. I'll keep it who has the access as anyone. I'll click as a deploy. So what it will do, let's authorize the access again. He is getting the approval. Now approve this all, go down, click on the continue. Again, now this will help us with the code. Okay, code for web application. Copy this code. Now let's copy paste this code somewhere else. Okay, I'll click here and I'll just copy paste it here for everyone's response, and let's click on the done. Okay, now let's see the next step, what it is saying. Okay, what it is saying, once the link is generated, replace this one with this one. Okay, now let's search this in the code. Go here, Control F, Control V. where it is. So here is the line. Okay, what it is saying now, change it with this. Okay, copy this and copy this. Okay, just make sure you copy it with the semicolon, so it will not throw any error. So just delete this and paste this. Now we have this link here, so go here and change the link within the quotes. Okay, this task is done. Let's save it. Okay, this is the important step, so you should not skip this. Next step is create an installation trigger or a form submission, and on form submit, and mail should trigger once form is submitted. Okay, now go to triggers, click on add trigger. So this should be on form submit, should be head, should be spreadsheet, and should be on form submit. Okay, click on a save. So it will again ask for the permission, because we are authorizing Google to automatically mail via our email ID to the respective employee or the manager. So we are giving them the authority. You can trigger the mails on behalf of us. Okay, it is loading. Now triggers are live. Go again the editor. Let's click on the save if it is not there already. Let's go to next step, and now we need to test it. Okay, now go to form, go to the question. Let's publish the form now. Anyone with this link, and let's publish. Okay, now once published, we have the new URL here. So copy the URL, open the next tab, put the URL here. So it will show the form. Let's fill the form once. Employee code, let's say EMP0001. Okay, employee name, I'll put my name, Rishikesh. Employee email ID, I'll put this email ID only, so that we can test the response and approval system. So I'll put same email IDs in the employee name manager, just for a test. Okay, I'll click on the travel, description, just temporary description. You can put like I traveled for vendor visits or whatever. Amount to reimburse, let's say I'll put some amount, random amount, 10,000. Date of expense, I'll select the random amount just for the sake of testing purpose. And now last part is upload the valid bill. Okay, click on the add file. So it is showing 5 supported file, maximum 10 MB we can upload. So let's browse, upload the file. Okay, it is below 10 MB, it's a 2 MB, so it is possible to submit. Now just check once whatever we have filled it's correct. Click on a submit button. Okay, now let's go to response sheet here. So let's see. Yes, so see, I told you once we submit the form, it will automatically adds the columns. So what we are doing, approval status, it is pending because it's not approved yet. We are capturing approver email ID, date, approver link, rejector link, and it's a token. Approver link, rejection link, if manager is not there, HR can directly click here and it will get approved. Okay, now let's go to Gmail and let's see if we get the email triggers or not. See, we got the email trigger now. Click here. So see, whatever we have filled, we got in the template format. Okay, now whatever we have uploaded, the file, you can see it here. Okay, the approver can see the file whatever the employee has attached. I have attached this photo just for our understanding. So whatever we have uploaded, link is also available here, and it will get attached into the mail also. So approver can see directly from here, or he can click on the drive link and see it there. So let's approve. Let's see, let's let it load. So request approved and has been approved. Okay, so let's go here, let's check the status. See, it is working perfectly. It is saying approval status as approved, approver email ID, timestamp it is giving, and amount also it is giving. Okay, Now let's go to the mail and let's see if employee has received the email or not. Okay, let's go to the inbox. See now, because in the form, I'll show you, in the form we have put employee email ID and manager email ID as ours only to test it. So we got the approval status also. So your reimbursement request has been approved. Dear Rishikesh, employee ID, employee name he has captured automatically and it has been approved. So what it is saying, employee name, status, amount and the date of approval. Okay, so all the systems running accurately how we have asked ChatGPT to work on. Okay, next step is let's close this. Let's close the mail also. Next step is let's automate the employee sheet also. Okay, I'll just delete this. I'll put here as a employee master. Okay, now I'll put it as a employee ID, name, amount. Okay, now I can put it here, let's say EMP 0001. Let's stretch it down. So 1 2 3 4, let's say random email ID's name, I'll just put Rishikesh, might be let's say X, Y and Z, let's say any employee name. Now how you will calculate the automatically once new forms are getting generated, you should use SUMIF formula. So is equal to SUMIF, what it is asking, just select the range first. Okay, which range? The range which we are using, we will be referring. So employee code range. Okay, go here, comma, criteria should be this, comma, the sum range is amount to reimburse. Okay, select this range and click is equal to. Now see, if we have filled for this employee, we have filled this once first, that's why it is saying 10,000. I'll just copy paste this down, because we have not filled any form for this, it will automatically put it as a 0. We can stretch this further and check whenever employee with this employee code fills the form, should allow this format to show the automated summary. Okay, let's say you have one more benefit, I'll tell you. Let's say you have a limited employee, let's say 10 employees you have. So just you can just copy this code, go to your form, and wherever we are saying ki it's employee code, instead of, let's say if employees are making mistakes during the employee code, you go to edit form, put it here, click on the drop downs. Okay, drop downs and just paste this employee names here. So what will happen, it will auto save it. Let me refresh this page. So what will happen now, employee code, it will show the drop down. So employee will not make any mistakes to put the employee code correctly. Employee code is correct, then only this amount will reflect correctly. Okay, so you can use this as a dashboard. Okay, hope you like the video, and hope you can implement this easily in your system. Few steps are important in this setup. You should do this once and reply in the comments if you face any challenges. I will help you in resolving this. Okay, thanks for watching the video.